She is cooking up a storm, and me like how she a gwan. Me say you want to taste it, you have to taste it, and when you taste it, you can't erase it. Hey, Jody cooking.
Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, you know it's that time of the year. Today I'm gonna show you and how I stew my fruits for my Jamaican fruit cake. Yes guys, trust me, fruit cake are one of my favorite cake. The way I love that cake here, I love it so much. I'm gonna show you step by step and how I stew it. There are other way you can do it as well. I'm gonna show you guys both way in different video. So this is one that I'm just gonna show you and how I stew it. So guys, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it to your families, to your friends and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it, and stay tuned. So guys, I just want to show you the amount of raisin that I will be using. So this cup here, as you can see, it is 1 cup. Okay, I'm using just over 1 pound of my raisin. One cup, 2 cup. This is 3.5 cup of my raisin. Okay, yes. I'm also gonna add currant. You can also add prunes. I'm gonna add the same amount for my currant. I also have some cherries. This is cherry glaze. This is just roughly a cup. Just add it. 2 cups. Guys, this is the part that I'm gonna use to stew my fruits. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add all the raisin in there, and the currants and the cherry. And when you stew it down guys, it became very soft. Yes, and it's easier to blend. Now I'm gonna add some cinnamon stick, 1 large cinnamon stick that I break, and I'm also gonna add 1 bay leaf and at least 2 cinnamon leaf. Okay, and at least ½ teaspoon of my nutmeg. Gonna add it just like so, and at least 1 teaspoon of my mixed spice. Okay, at least ½ teaspoon of my cinnamon powder. So guys, at this stage you don't want to add no form of alcohol, okay, because we're gonna stew it down. So I'm just gonna add some water. I add at least 3 cups of water for now. I'm gonna add some more. Guys, it smells so good. Better add some more. I'm gonna add at least 2 more cups. So guys, I'm just gonna add some orange peel, and this is just gonna add more flavor. Okay, If you have the dry orange peel, then you use it, but I have the fresh one, so I just, you know, cut my orange and just add, you know, just a few pieces. You don't need a lot. And as I said, it's just gonna add a lot of flavor. And guys, if you don't have orange peel, if you have ginger, you can also use some fresh ginger to it, okay? But it is totally optional, yeah? So guys, my pot is now on my stove, as you can see. So I'm just gonna allow it to stew down for just over 1 hour, okay? I would say 1.5 hours to 2 hours, okay? But make sure you check on it like every 30 minutes, okay? You want to continue to stir it so it doesn't stick. And if it need any more liquid, you can also, you know, top it up with some more water, but not a lot, just a little bit, okay? And my stove is gonna be on a low heat. You don't want to turn up your stove too high. Cover it up. Stay tuned. So hi guys, it's been just over 1 hour. So now I'm gonna check back on my stew. Look at that. It looks so good. Guys, the smell in my house is just amazing. I'm telling you, the flavor from the cinnamon. So guys, it is not fully finished. It still needs to stew down a bit more because I want it to become, you know, more softer. As you can see, the raisin is more plumpy. See it? It's a bit more softer and it just increase in size. I'm gonna allow it to stew down for at least 30 minutes. Yeah, I want it to be a bit more softer. So guys, at this moment I'm gonna add some vanilla, and I'm gonna add at least 1/4 cup of my vanilla. You can add it before or you can add it after, it doesn't really matter. I did add no more water to it. As I said, if the water is reducing, you can also add, you know, just a bit more. It smells so good, real good. Should I cover it up? Stay tuned. It's all finished stew. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn off my stove. So guys, I'm just gonna allow it to cool down, okay? Then I just remove the cinnamon stick and all the leaf. That perfect. So guys, my fruits is all cool down. So let me remove the lid. Yeah, perfect. What I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna remove the bay leaf and the cinnamon leaf. You just want to remove it, okay? The cinnamon stick. As you can see, it is soft. See that? That's exactly what you want. It stew all the way down. Perfect. So now I'm gonna add my Jamaican white rum and my red label wine. So first I'm gonna add my Jamaican red label wine. This is just a bottle. I'm not gonna add the whole bottle. I'm gonna add at least half. You can smell it. Guys, it really smells like Christmas in my kitchen. Trust me, it smells so good. When my children finish school, them said, "Mommy, how it smells so?" Them know say a fruit cake me I make. I'm gonna add some rum now, and guys, I'm gonna add at least 1.5 cup of Jamaican white rum, okay? Mix it all in. Oh, this looks good. So what you're gonna do, guys, you're gonna need something to seal it, okay? If you have a bottle, you pour it in a bottle, but make sure that you seal it. And you're just gonna allow it to soak. Some people allow their fruit to soak even up to 1 year. Some people even tell me 2 years. I said, no, it's not that too long. But the more, you know, the more you make it soak for longer, it will taste even better. But if you don't have the time, you still can even soak it, you know, soak it now, and then like 1 week, couple days later, you can bake the cake. Okay, it still will taste delicious. It doesn't really. So whenever you're ready to bake your cake, what you can do, you just blend it up. Yes, make sure that it is nice and smooth. What I'm gonna do, guys, I'm doing this video just to show you guys how to prepare your fruits. So I'm just gonna blend it up and show you the way I blend it up. Okay, I'm just gonna show you, as I said, step by step. Yes. So guys, I'm using a hand blender. If you have a normal blender, you just use it also. And I'm just gonna blend it until it became very, very smooth. Okay, yes. So guys, you see that it is nice and smooth, and that's exactly what you want. Perfect. So guys, I'm gonna use this, as you can see right here, to soak my fruits. It comes with a lid. I'm gonna add it just like so. Whenever you're ready to use it, you can just, you know, take it from it. Guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please share. I show you guys the step by step and how it done, so I pray that you guys will, you know, enjoy it. That's it. Remove this spoon. See it? I'm gonna cover it up with a lid. Yeah, that's it. So guys, as I said, whenever you're ready to use it, you just take it from it. Okay, I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye. Thank you all so much for all your love and your support. I really appreciate. Bye guys, love you all. Merry Christmas.